all students, friends, etc. And at first,
हमारे
I would
मित्र
like
ने
to
बुलाया
give
था
thanks
आपके जो
to
टीचर
Mr. Vishesh sir who has given me a golden chance
आयुष
to speak here.
आयुष सर
In the beginning, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, and my best wishes are with you for all for your elegant future. Today, I would like to speak about two unique topics. I'm sure that you would like that and you will just understand what is the message of these two unique topics. First thing that there was a man and he worked hard, but he could not earn sufficient money and he wanted to purchase the shoes. So he was complaining to God that I worked hard, but I could not earn sufficient money to purchase shoes. He always complains about his life to God. Suddenly, one day, he saw a man who had no legs and he became silent. So, can you understand what is the moral of the story? I would like to tell the Hindi explanation about this story. एक आदमी था जो कि अपनी लाइफ में बहुत काम करता था और उसके पास शूज नहीं थे, तो वो जूते खरीदना चाहता था लेकिन वो इतना कमा नहीं पाता था कि वो अच्छे शूज खरीद सके। तो भगवान से कंप्लेन करता था कि मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं और ये शूज भी मैं नहीं खरीद पाता, नहीं लगती थी। देन आफ्टर एक दिन क्या हुआ कि उसकी नजर एक उस इंसान पे पड़ी जिसके पैर नहीं थे और वो शांत हो गई। तो आई होप कि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी। I want to say that whatever God has given to us, we have to be happy with that. We have to satisfy with that. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जो जिंदगी आप जी रहे हैं वो किसी का ख्वाब है। आपके पास जो भी है वो किसी के सपने हैं। So you have to be thankful to God and you have to acquire. You have to try to acquire something more than that. किसी का काज तो किसी का अगर अधूरा रह जाता है। So always just thankful to God, whatever God has provided to you, and try to achieve more than that. And second thing I want to say that love your job, love your work, love your deeds, love your function. I want to say that sometimes we think that whatever we are doing the job and we are thinking that this job is not good. And sometimes it also happens that we give respect to the person according to the job standard. This is the cleaning, this is the watchman, this is a low class employee, this is the manager. So sometimes we decide that we have to give respect to that person more because he is so much reputed. But education does not teach this. Education says that we have to give respect. As a summary, as I want to say, जो भी आप काम actually I'm a biggest fan of Shah Rukh Khan. So Shah Rukh Khan has delivered a speech. I am sure that you have listened that. So I am just sharing that line. Shah Rukh Khan एक बार स्टेज पे एक बात कही थी उन्होंने कि जो भी काम आप करिए उसको इतनी ऑनेस्टी से, इतनी सिंसियरिटी से, इतनी लॉयल्टी से, इतने अफेक्शन के साथ करिए कि खुद काम को करो कि तुमने उस and at the ending I want to say whatever you want to be in future, whatever you want to be in future, whatever you are in present, it doesn't matter that you are successful or not, it doesn't matter you will be successful or more successful, it doesn't matter you will be rich or normal, but in all situations, you have to be humble towards everyone. Humbleness is very important. And always remember that people are remembered by only good behavior, golden heart, not because of your success, not because of your money. So thank you so much audience because you gave me the most precious time to me and I will be highly obliged to you. Once again, I would like to say wish you a very happy new year. I will pray to God for your bright future. Thank you.